Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873 extension 3 bedroom/2 bath all brick ranch home with 2-car side entry garage, tall single carport, double carport and 2 storage outbuildings. Living room with stained beams, stone fireplace west/raised hearth and floor to ceiling stone. Chair molding in breakfast room. Large laundry room with cabinets and butler's pantry area. Hardwood floors in living room, breakfast room and all bedrooms. Fans in all BRs, kitchen, and living room. Deck. Currently on 5 acres, which will be subdivided into approximately 3 acres with the house. Property will be divided to the right of the driveway and approximately 2 acres will not be sold with the house. Tenant occupied, but notice has been given and they will not be staying.